The Vatican Apostolic Library has set aside a prayer room for visiting Muslim scholars. As Christians, we value civility and hospitality, but also reciprocity, boundaries, and truth. Let's talk about what this means. According to reports, several Muslim academics asked for a small space to pray during research hours. The library agreed. On the surface, a routine act of courtesy. The Vatican, of all places, must preserve clear lines. This is the heart of Catholic Christendom, not a religious free-for-all. If Christian institutions open doors for others, do others open doors for Christians? We all know Mecca is restricted to non-Muslims. Najaf and Karbala are intensely sacred to Shia Islam. That's their decision, their sovereignty. But then, let's be honest, Christians granted comparable access to pray in those places. Now, here's my million-dollar question. Since the Vatican is to Christians what Mecca, Najaf, and Karbala are to Muslims, will Muslim-majority countries allow Christians to pray in Mecca, Najaf, and Karbala?